teach you the poem The Blind Boy, written by Colley Cibber. He wrote this poem regarding the blindness of a boy, his feelings, his expressions about his blindness. He wants to convey the message that how a blind boy may feel about himself, that he can't see anything, but how he will feel about his blindness, whatever his expressions, feelings about his physical disability. So here the poet Colley Cibber, he was born on November 6th, 1671. About the poet, November 6th, 1671. This is the born date of Colley Cibber. And he was died on December 11th, 1757. He died on December 11th, 1757. He born on November 6, 1671. Colley Cibber. That was an English actor manager. He was actually an English actor and also a manager. He wrote 25 plays for his own company. Cibber's poetical work was derided in his time and has been remembered only for being poor. See, actually, derided means teased. That his poetical work was teased by so many people in that 18th century. There are so many people teased on his poetical work because that reason is only because of he is a poor boy. So, due to that reason, the people were not accepted his poetical work. They were going to tease on his work because of the reason is he is a poor person. So, what happened here, children? Next, his importance in British theatre history rests on his being one of the first long line of actor managers on the interest of two of his comedies as documents of evolving early 18th century taste and ideology and on the value of his autobiography. So what happened here? That in that time he got long line of actors that time. That time he was very famous. He became very famous as a actor and he was writing the plays that 25 dramas he wrote, plays he wrote, and he was also acted in that one, and his poetical work was so much teased that time because he was a poor person. So here he wrote his autobiography from that one, this one extracted. So this is about the poet Colley Cibber. He wrote about the blind boy. So here before you read, here on picture given, children, see here in textbook on picture given here, what you are going to observe here. See, so many people are going here on the road, but one person, he took one umbrella and another one is helping him to cross the road, and he wore black glasses. What it shows? Yes, it shows that he is a blind person. He can't see. He can't cross the road alone. He needs help of others. So this is the physical disability that person had. He is a blind. He didn't have good eyesight. So here children, so this shows that we should help. See here one small boy, he is helping this person to cross the road. This is the humanity, children, that we should help the people who have this type of physical disabilities. We should not laugh on them, we should not pity on them, but we should help them in some or the other ways. So this is about the pre-reading task they given to you. So here, now I am giving explanation line by line. The blind boy, for memorization is there, children. This poem is for memorization and you should memorize this one. You should learn and you should by heart it, and this will come for your board exams. This poem is for memorization, and this the Colley Cibber, the poet, wrote this one about the blindness of a person and his feelings. Oh, say, what is that thing called light, which I must never enjoy. See, he is asking. He is asking the people. He is a blind boy. He don't know what is light, what is dark, nothing. Because he is blind. By birth only he is blind means he can't understand what is light. So he is asking others, you explain me what is the light, how it will be. I never enjoyed that one. I didn't see that one. But you are able to see, no? You explain me how it will be. Light, how it will be. ಬೆಳಕು ಹೇಗಿರ್ತದೆ, ನಾನಂತೂ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆ ಹುಡುಗ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. What are the blessings of the sight? Oh, tell your poor blind boy. That he is asking. He didn't experiences of the light. He didn't have any experience of the light. But you have good sight, no? Then explain me how the light will be. I am not able to see the light. I can't experience the light. But you are able to experience it. You are able to see it. Then explain me how it will be. And see here, what are the blessings of the sight? We are blessed with the God. Is it, children? We have good eyesight. We can see everything. But this blind boy, he was not blessed with that sight. He can't see. He is telling the people that you are blessed. You are blessed with the God. Grace of God you have. Good eyesight. Then tell me how the light will be. Explain me how the light is. Oh, tell your poor blind boy. He is explaining about himself. He is telling, I am a poor blind boy and explain me how the light is. In first stanza, he is going to ask about the light because he can't see and he wants to know how the light will be. But he is by birth blind means he can't see that one. He can't understand how the light will be. You talk of wondrous things you see. You say the sun shines bright. See, if we have eyesight means we can see wonders of so many wonderful things, that we can see so many wonderful buildings, sightseeings, hills, mountains, rivers. We can see. If we have eyesight means we can see everything, whatever wonders are there in the world, that wonderful things we can see and we can experience that one. But that blind boy, he is blind. He can't see that one. That what are the wonderful things are in the world that he can't see. But if we explained them, he can imagine himself, oh, maybe this type. ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನು ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. That blind boy is asking the people that wonderful things you can see with your good eyesight, but tell me how it will be. Wonderful things ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಆ ಹುಡುಗ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. You say the sun shines bright. He is asking again, how the sun shine, how it will be, how the sun gives brightness, how much brightness he will give to us. But he can't see that one because day and night are equal to him. He is blind. He can't see the brightness. He can't see the darkness. So he is asking the people, you explain me about how the sun gives brightness, how much brightness he is giving. ಸೂರ್ಯನ ಕಿರಣ ಹೇಗಿರ್ತದೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೆಳಕನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ that blind boy he is asking the people. I feel him warm, but how can he? See, if he is going in sunlight, he can feel because his skin is sensitive. It's okay. That skin feels the warmth of the sunshine. But he is blind means he can't see the sunshine, but he can feel that when the sunshine touches his skin, he can feel the warmth. Skin ಮುಟ್ಟಿದಾಗ ಅದರ ಬಿಸಿ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಬಟ್ he can't see that one. He can feel, ಅವನು ಅನುಭವಿಸಬಹುದು ಬಿಸಿಲನ್ನ, but he can't see the brightness of the sun. Or make it day or night. See, he don't know whether now it's day or night because all is equal to him. He is a blind boy means he can't see, he can't recognize whether now it is day or night. Someone has to tell him now already night is there, don't go outside, day is there, get up. This type someone has to tell him. ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅವನಿಗೆ ಈಗ ಕತ್ತಲಾಯ್ತು ಬೆಳಕಾಯ್ತು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ. Because everywhere he can't see means darkness is there in his life. That someone has to guide him, someone has to tell him how the light, how the sun shines, and how the wonderful things are there in the world. That someone has to tell him, then only he can imagine that one. He don't know the difference between night and day because he is totally blind. My day or night myself I can make. See, he is telling I should make my own day or night because there is no difference between him. That he can't say now day is there, now night is there. Both are equal to him. That he has to make himself day and night. Because we have sight, good sight, we can say that now night is there, day is there. But he is blind, he can't recognize day and night. And he should make himself only day and night. Whenever I sleep or play. See, whenever he want he can sleep, whenever he want he can play. Because that we want daytime we wants to play and night time we wants to sleep. Because we have good sight and we can see that now darkness is there, we can't go outside for play, and at night time we have to sleep. We have one timetable for that one. But this boy, he is a blind one. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೂ ನಡೀತದೆ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಟ ಆಡಿದ್ರೂ ನಡೀತದೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ he is totally blind means there will be no difference in him. And could I ever keep awake with me where always day? She is telling I may wake up at any time, I can wake up, I can sleep, I can play, there will be no difference at all. Because he don't know the brightness and darkness difference means how he will change his timetable. That we know the daytime we should go to school, we should read, we should play, everything we know very well. But this person, he is blind. He can't do that one. He may play at any time, he may sleep at any time, he may wake up at any time because he is a blind one. With heavy sighs I often hear you mourn my hapless woe. He is telling with the sadness. Heavy sigh means ನಿಟ್ಟುಸಿರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. With the sadness he taken breath. That is, he said that with sadness he said that I often hear. That he is able to hear but he can't see, but he is able to hear. He is telling that with the heavy sighs means ಬೇಸರದಿಂದ ನಿಟ್ಟುಸಿರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, that one with that one he said but I can hear. I cannot see but I can hear. You mourn my hapless woe. Don't show me the courtesy, don't show me the pity about me, about my blindness. Don't show me courtesy, you should not show pity on me. You should help me but you should not show courtesy. ಕರುಣೆಯನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸಬೇಡ್ರಿ but you should help me. You don't laugh about my blindness, you should not pity about my blindness, but you can help me. But sure with patience I can bear a loss I never can know. That he don't know, he can't see the world. He can't see the world means what will happen, children? That he don't know the difference between good sight and blindness because he is blind. That you don't show me the courtesy about my blindness. If you want, you may help me. I don't know the difference between darkness and light, and then you are going to pity on me. No need of that pity because I don't know what I'll lose in my life. ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಏನು ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಮರ್ಕ ತೋರೋದು ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಆ ಹುಡುಗ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. Then let not what I cannot have my cheer of mind destroy. See, he is telling I am happy. Maybe I am blind, but I am happy about me. I don't know what loss I have. Okay, I don't know about my loss. because I am happy now in whatever position I am happy in that one only. So he is telling that don't show courtesy on me, and I don't know whatever I lost in my life, but I am happy. Don't destroy. ನಾಶ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, ನಾನು ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಆ ಹುಡುಗ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. Visual thus I sing, I am a king. What happened here, children? That what happened here, children? That boy is happy in his blindness only. He is happy. But we are people who are showing courtesy, pity on them, no? That time what will happen? That we are going to destroy his happiness. Whatever it may be, but he is happy. He don't know what loss he had. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ತನಗೇನು ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Because by birth he don't know anything, means he is happy in his world. He is king in his world. He is a king. He was in feeling that he is a king. He is asking the people not to destroy his happiness. He is feeling just like king in his dreams. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅವನು ಏನಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅದೇ ಜಗತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. But don't show me courtesy and don't destroy my happiness. He is asking the people not to destroy his happiness in happy world whatever he had. While thus I sing, I am a king, although a poor blind boy. That I am feeling that in my world I am very happy. I am just like king in my world. But don't destroy that one. Don't show the courtesy, don't show the pity, and don't destroy my happiness, whatever I had now. I don't know how the good side will be, how you can see, whatever you can see in your life. But I can't see anything, means I am happy in my world. But don't come and destroy that my world, happy world. You don't destroy in that I am the king. Again he is telling, then also I am a poor blind boy. He is telling that although I am the king in my dreams, but I am a poor blind boy. He is telling that he is happy in his world. Whatever it may be, he may be blind, but he can hear. So don't tell me harsh words. I am able to hear. Maybe I am blind, but I am able to hear whatever you are talking. So don't destroy my happiness and don't show the pity on me, and don't talk such a words that destroying my imagination. So he is talking in this way. This is about the Blind Boy poem written by Khalil Sibber. That he is telling, the total summary of this poem is that boy, he is blind. He don't know the difference between darkness and light, and he don't know the sunshine, brightness of the sun, but he can imagine its warmth. That his skin is sensitive, that he can feel the heat of the sun, but he can't see the brightness of the sun. He is telling the people, explain me that wonderful things you can see in this world, no? Explain me. So many wonderful things are there. Taj Mahal is there, that so many mountains are there, hills are there, rivers are there. You are able to see, no? Now explain me how you will feel. What are the wonderful things are there in the world? You tell about the sunshine, brightness of the sun, light, how the light will be. I don't know the difference between light and darkness of the world. So he is asking the people to tell me about the wonders of the world. And he is also explaining, children, that whenever he want, he can make his own day and night. Because he can't see, means there will be no difference to him between day and night. Whenever he want, he can sleep. Whenever he want, he can play. There will be no difference between day and night to him, because he is a blind. And he is telling that whenever I want, I will wake up, and whenever I want, I can play. Whenever I want, I can sleep. Because his life is full of darkness, he don't know the difference between day and night. Again he is telling that the people, that now he is able to hear. He is able to hear the words. So don't show the pity or courtesy on me. That maybe my world is blind world, but I am happy in that world. I am the king. He is feeling that he is the king of that world. And don't destroy my happiness by talking the courteous words, and don't show me pity. If you want, you can help me, but don't talk pity words in front of me. Maybe I am blind, but I am able to hear the sound. So he is requesting the people that not to destroy his happy world, because we don't know the difference means that people should be aware. They should not talk in front of him about his blindness. He is asking the people that I am the king of my world. Whatever I had, I am very happy, but don't destroy that happiness, and I am king in that world. But although he is telling that he is a poor blind boy, he is curious about the world. He wants to know how the light, how the sunshine, how the wonderful things are there in the world. What mountain means, what rivers means. He wants to know. But he is telling the people to explain about that one and not to talk harsh words about his blindness. This is a poem written by Colley Cibber. So, you listen the video and try to memorize the poem. And this will be for your examination. Okay? Thank you.